Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today we are back at Universal Orlando Resort for Mardi Gras. Tonight, Seth and I are going to be riding on a Mardi Gras float, and we're going to show you guys the whole process, including going backstage and throwing the beads from the float. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Today we are back at Universal Studios Florida to throw beads in this year's Mardi Gras parade. Today we will be bringing you along as we let the good times roll, so let's get checked in. Alright guys, so check-in for the parade tonight starts at 4:15. It is about 4:13, so we're just sitting here at Animal Actors waiting for the queue to open. We do have the pass holder reservation, so all we're going to have to do is just check in with the team members in just a few minutes. We'll let you guys know once we get checked in.
Also, if you are being a float rider, they do have some restrictions here that you should be aware of. Alright, so once we got checked in, we came through here across Animal Actors and went right over here, and they gave us which attire that we're getting to wear. And we also, as we were signing in, we found out that we're on the King and Queen, or I believe it's now called the Royalty Float. So we got our attire on and we're going to sit here and wait. However, you can go out this direction and go get food, drink, restroom. They told us that as long as we're in here by 5:15, we're good to go. So we're going to sit right here, and they're going to go over some rules and things for us here in a bit.
All right, look at this theater full of brand new float performers we have. Are y'all ready to be in a parade? Oh, this is going to be a great parade tonight. Just want to give you a couple quick reminders. When you leave this theater, please bring all your items with you. Your ECBs, your strollers, your backpacks, your drink cups. When the parade is, and children, when the parade is over, this is going to be closed, so you won't be able to come back here because the park will be closed. So just bring everything you have with you, strollers, ECBs, and escorts will be able to help you with that. So we're going to go ahead and start dismissing you all now to get to those floats. Have so much fun. First up with David, Barry, Harley, Grayson, Fallon, Heather, Jana, and not Fallon. Everyone else, Michelle, is our pink air up, ready to have a silly, goofy, fun time with Bead Captain Angel as our Chester float. Right, get on up and head on out.
Go ahead. And I'll be like,
All right, riding the boat float with Joe, Lexi, Gigi, and Jeremy is our riverboat crew. The rest of the passengers will be here later. All right, next up, get ready to shake your tail feather with Bead Captain Olivia on the Mask and Feathers float. All right, next up, hanging up all the swamp critters with Bead Captain Janae is our Bayou float. All right, next up and ready to throw lots of beads with Bead Captain Fallon tonight is our Beads float. All right, y'all, we're a real special treat tonight. We're in the presence of royalty with Beat Captain Eileen. We have our royalty float! Come on.
All right, now we're about to head backstage, so we can't film back there, but we will start filming as soon as we hit the gates. Let's go.
Alright guys, so wanted to wrap up our float riding experience for this year. Unfortunately, I think this is going to be the only time we're able to do it because our trip has ended and I don't think we're going to make it back down here before Mardi Gras ends, but it was fun as usual. It's super easy if you can try and get the annual pass holder reservation. Yeah. Otherwise, you can do the ride and dine, and that's a guaranteed spot, and you get a meal, which Seth and I done a video on that the first year that they had it, so you guys can go back and reference that if needed, if you want to know more about ride and dine. They make it as simple as possible, but they also want you to have fun, so the bead captains are always running around, and you know, it's not just that you're getting to throw beads, it's you're part of the show and the experience.
Yeah, and they'll like help, like take a picture for you or film something for you. So like,
get you more beads.
Yeah, so you're not like you said, you're not just like having to throw beads. You're there to have fun.
Yeah, yeah.
And I mean, throwing beads is fun, but like, you know,
They add a little extra.
Yeah.
Yeah, they add some extra flair to it, if you will. But anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you've ever thrown beads in Universal's Mardi Gras Parade. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.